Alright, this is quiz 1.14, example 1. Classify each scale factor as a contraction or an expansion. Contraction getting smaller, expansion getting bigger. In order for a dilation to get bigger, the scale factor has to be larger than 1. So let's look at each of these. 2.6 is larger than 1, so that is an expansion. Alright, 0.3 is smaller than 1, so that's a contraction. Now, -4 is smaller than 1, but the negative does not factor in here except that it reverses the dilation. So this is still an expansion. It's going to get bigger, but the bigger version is going to flip. Alright, 1/8 is smaller than 1, so that's a contraction. And now -4/3. When the numerator is larger than the denominator, that means this is larger than 1. Once again, although it's negative, it's still an expansion because the negative here just flips the dilation. So this is an expansion. And 2/3 is smaller than 1. Numerator is smaller than the denominator, so this is a contraction.